My name is William Clark, and I am a current driver of AmeriDrive. I heard about you guys through actually one of the agents named Carlos. He introduced the app, and me and my wife was interested, so we indulged into it, and we're happy with what we came out with. Well, the kind of car we was looking for was a family van, something big enough for my family to carry us around. That's basically good on gas, as mileage as well, and it was, it was something that you guys had in stock and offered, and jumped on the opportunity. The best part about the program, I believe, that I'm experiencing right now is the convenience of being able to rent the vehicle for a whole week, and also with not have to worry about the maintenance, mileage, and everything. It's being taken care of. Anything happen on the roadside, I ain't gotta worry about my family being stuck, or I know it'll be all taken care of, and I don't have to worry about coming out of the pocket with extra or running around trying to figure out how things gonna get done. I really enjoy being with AmeriDrive, and I look forward to definitely renting and being shout out to AmeriDrive, shout out to my wife, my beautiful wife Tanya, and I appreciate everything, and it's working out well for me. I really do appreciate it.